I am going to be removing the hood so I can repaint it. So just gotta take off these tabs up here, take off this little insulator, and then take off the shock, little strut, take off these two bolts. Everything should pop through. You can see that my water line is freaking broken here. So I'm not getting any water. Might have to replace that for the windshield spray. That should be it. And then go through the steps of painting it and all that nonsense. Took off the strut, now I have it hold it up by just this piece of metal. Okay, so I took off the strut, have it hold up by the piece of wood. I just gotta take off these two bolts on each side over there. And I'm using 13 millimeter. Here we go. If you're doing this by yourself, take off the bottom one first on both sides, then loosen this one up. So then it just sits like that. Loosen them up on both sides, and then you can just take it off once it's loose. Here's the hood. I'm gonna flip it around, take the other bolts out. 2 bolts left each side. And then remember, you have to actually take this weather off first. This insulator. I just didn't have to because this is broken, so now I'm gonna take that off. There you go, nice and simple. I like to put all my loose parts in just in a big plastic bag, and that way nothing gets lost, and then I can see it and know what I need or what's missing or where the stuff's at. I'm gonna have to actually replace this because the wire is broken. So these are just held in by tabs, and this is gonna be the windshield fluid sprayer. Let's break the shit off, I guess. But they're on tabs. You can see the little tabs right there. Okay, so the hood and the bumper is painted, and we are going to be putting on the hood and bumper today. So what we're going to do is just kind of rebolt it the way we did. Unbolt the hood, just going to rebolt that, and then that's it. Put the liner on inside the hood, just line up the holes. Pretty simple. You can buy a new liner if you want. I did not because I'm broke. All right, use 2 people to pull this on, just one person to hold the hood. One side and one person at the other side as you bolt it in. Pretty simple. Got it done in 5 minutes by myself actually, and that's it. Came out pretty good.